Hi there, I'm Michelle Paris, naturopathic doctor and clinic director here at the Poppy Clinic. I'm really excited to have the opportunity to speak with you today all about thyroid health. I absolutely love talking about thyroid health with all of my patients, and I feel it's critically important because it really is underdiagnosed and misunderstood. So, the thyroid gland is a hormone secreting gland located in the neck, and we're often looking at if the brain is talking to the thyroid. That's standard of care. Where naturopathic doctors do things a little different is that we do a little bit more thorough hormone assessment. I will get to that a little bit more in a minute. So, there are certain thyroid conditions that people may come in for: low thyroid function or hypothyroidism, hyperthyroidism, which is high thyroid activity, subclinical hypothyroidism, which most of my patients present as, and autoimmune conditions such as Hashimoto's and Graves' disease. Also, there's something that gets a lot of attention from naturopathic doctors, which is Wilson's temperature syndrome, which is having low body temperature and all the symptoms of low thyroid function, but in appearance is very normal labs. So, what do we need to test and what do we need to look for? Well, simply put, most GPs and most physicians are only looking at TSH, which is our thyroid stimulating hormone, which is looking at is our brain talking to our thyroid. Where I think we offer a bit more of a comprehensive panel as naturopathic doctors is that we're looking at T3, T4, TSH, reverse T3, and antibodies. So we're not only looking for that initial feedback, but what is the thyroid doing with that information? T3 and T4 are active thyroid hormones. T3 is our most metabolically active. Every cell in the body has a T3 receptor, and that's why it has so much influence for energy production and metabolic function. But T4 will be converted into T3 by the liver or other cells when our body's in need of increased T3 or metabolic energy. Reverse T3 is a hormone that our body creates because Mother Nature makes no mistakes and is used to help balance T3 and T4 so that we don't become too hyperactive. Reverse T3 will become higher. We will convert more T4 into T3 if our body is in a chronic state of stress. And then we get this increased circulating, quote unquote, dud hormone that will inhibit regular T3 use of the cell receptor binding, and that can cause low thyroid function as well. Antibodies are used to assess if we have an autoimmune condition or an inflammatory reason that our thyroid may not be functioning. This is a really important feature because 95% of Hashimoto's or 95% of hypothyroidism is due to Hashimoto's. It's a really high number, and where naturopathic doctors excel is helping you learn about what we can do to help lower inflammation and lower antibodies so that we can get to the root cause of why your thyroid may not be functioning well. Symptoms of low thyroid function are weight gain, mental fogginess, anxiety and depression, hives, muscle cramping and spasms, and just not feeling like we think clearly or feel well or we're thriving. And that needs to be addressed. And so if you've been told that you have all these symptoms but everything appears normal, it may warrant a good conversation with your naturopathic doctor. Because just because something is normal does not mean it is optimal. And what we are assessing is, are you falling within the appropriate place of that reference range to help you thrive and feel your best? And it's really important that you're empowered with that information. One, to know what tests need to be run, but also how to interpret that information so that you can be your own best doctor and know that further support is necessary if indicated. So if you'd like to learn more, please reach out to us, your naturopathic doctors, here at the Poppy Clinic. We can be found at thepoppyclinic.com, and we are happy to answer your questions. We offer 15-minute consultations, and so if you have a personal question and would like to learn if naturopathic medicine is the answer for you, we'd be very happy to help and answer your questions. We have an awesome integrative team here at the Poppy Clinic that work collaboratively to get you and your family in optimal health. Wishing you a wonderful day. Thank you so much for listening, and I look forward to seeing you at the clinic soon. Bye.